All right, good morning, everyone. It is a quarter after 9 on the 28th of June, 2021, and this is my morning strategy session. It's going to be a quick one. I don't have a lot of time until the opening bell. So, first up is NTLA. This is up on news that recent drug, NTLA 2001, announced landmark clinical data showing deep reduction in disease-causing protein after a single infusion of NTLA 2001, an investigational CRISPR therapy for transthyretin amyloidosis. Transthyretin amyloidosis. I don't know how accurate that pronunciation is. Interim readout in ongoing phase 1 trial finds a single 0.3 milligram dose of NTLA 2001 led to an 87% mean reduction in serum TTR. Let's take a look at what transthyretin amyloidosis is. Let's see. Let's see if I can. All right, I'll just read it here. Familial amyloid polyneuropathy, also called, I'm just gonna call it ATTR, or carinoandratis disease, is an autosomal dominant neurodegenerative disease. It is a form of amyloidosis and was first identified and described by Portuguese neurologist Mario Corino da Costa Andrade in 1952. It's distinct from senile systemic amyloidosis, which is not inherited, which was determined to be the primary cause of death for 70% of supercentenarians who have been autopsied. FAP can be ameliorated by liver transplantation. Okay, so it treats salinity. All right. Well, it's trading. I have a feeling, I have a hunch that this thing is going to come close to my levels. Pardon me. So, if it doesn't, then I'm going to trade it according to momentum rules. If there's profit taking on this and it sells down, I mean, it closed at roughly $88, $89 on Friday. My guess is there's got to be some profit taking on this. I don't know how much. I have my levels. If it doesn't come down to my levels, I will be watching for, a move over the open, the next 1 minute candle high, so on and so on. The moment, if it doesn't come down within, I'd say, the first 10 minutes of trading, then I'll look for momentum setups. And so CRISPR is, what the NTLA technology was essentially how NTLA was developed, which was using the gene therapy technology that CRISPR offers. And now CRISPR is interesting. It is trading according to the news of NTLA's news. So gene therapy, it's kind of scary. Because people are really scared. I mean, I can understand of like human DNA getting mixed with dog DNA or rat DNA or whatever kind of crazy stuff some of the Chinese are doing. It's up. So I'll be trading it if it gives the opportunity. I have levels at 155.05 and 152.85. On NTLA, I have levels at 123.59 and 117.48. Tesla has this gigantic recall in China. Tesla right now is looking. It's putting in what could be a. It's hard to say exactly. I have levels marked off at 656 and 598 for support. So close below 656 will be a short for me. And I'll be looking for support at 598. That'll be something that develops over months or days, weeks, months, something like that. MRIN is something I have on watch. This is a continuation from Thursday and Friday's action. They recently adopted what seems to be like in adware, but they've adopted some advertisement into their platform, and it's expected to raise revenues. So I have 570 marked off. 570 is its most recent high here on the daily from, let's see what day this was. This is the 20th of October 2020. So almost a year ago, just shy of a year ago, it put in this high. It's approaching it now pre-market. And so break of that, if it breaks above that high, holds it and moves forward. Let's see if I can get more space to work with that. So the strategy here is if it breaks above, comes back, tests, and moves away again, that's my momentum strategy. So I have 570 marked off as an alarm. I doubt I'll trade it underneath of that. QADB, I think this is right now pre-market on the charts. It says $50, but on the scanner it's at $86. It was recently purchased. Where did I find that? Did I find it? Yeah, okay. Thoma Bravo to acquire QAD Incorporated in a $2 billion all-cash deal. Usually what happens with these things, now it's going to be up around $80. So let me kind of pull this one. I can't get to the $80 mark, but usually what happens is it's usually pretty flat the entire day. It doesn't really trade. It trades. I mean, there are people, selling, but it's pretty much the price just hits. It's at almost $86 right now, so it'll probably bobble back and forth between 80, 85, and 87 maybe. All right. IKNX. This is one that I have on watch. This is continuation. IKNX pre-market right now is at 1850, so a little bit higher. Yeah, the last price, I don't know why my charts aren't keeping up. And so with this one right here, this was a big deal on Friday. This thing really ran. It ran from, let's see, the low here was 1512. A previous close on Thursday was 1130. So it opened up at 1794, went to as low as 1512, and then went as high as $25. So I'm just kind of watching it. I'd like to see it move above the previous day's close. So I'll mark off the previous day's close here. Let's see. Above 1856, there might be a trade there. So it's on watch. I'm going to put an alarm on that while I'm at it. But I don't plan on trading MRIN. It's not in the cards until it breaks above the price. QADB, I don't plan on trading at all. And IKNX above 1856 might be a trade. So NTLA, CRSP, and Tesla are the top 3 trades that I have for today. All right, everybody. We've got about 5 minutes until the bell. I'm going to cut it off there. Keep an eye on the SPY. It's creeping up. All right, everybody. Good luck out there. Keep your risk tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you at the recap. I am out.